Today I am reviewing the floor mats that I have installed previously on our 24 bronze Tacoma, which are now installed on our 24 long bed white Tacoma. The bronze Tacoma is gone, so all we have left is this white one. So this is the shop truck. This is not my personal truck, but I do drive this thing a lot. We've driven this 20,000 miles already in a little bit less than a year. Put a lot of off-road miles on it as well, and you can see from the truck it is filthy currently. That also continues all the way on the inside. So in here you'll see the Lasfit floor liners. These are the all-weather floor liners from them, 3D scanned to fit the truck, obviously. And you can see here it is doing its job very well. Some of that's loose, some that's mixed in with water, so it's just kind of sitting there right now. So we do need to clean out the inside of this truck quite a bit. So you can see up here a lot of dust just all over this thing from the dusty trails of having the window down and just stepping in here with our filthy shoes. So these are great. We put maybe 10,000 miles on this floor mat alone, and then before that it was on the bronze Tacoma. But they have the locking pins just like the factory Toyota ones, except the coverage is way better. You can see it goes all the way up on the walls, pretty far up. Probably the furthest up that I've seen with any floor mats on the market. I know other brands kind of stop like right there at that bump, but these ones continue all the way up there. And then most importantly, come all the way out here where all the drainage, if it were to overfill, then you can kind of spill it on the outside of the truck. On the driver's side, it is not any better. Actually, it's actually a little bit worse because I drive and use this side way more often than having passengers over there. So this side is a lot worse. But again, the coverage is pretty great. It goes all the way up there, all the way on the wall. So all the mud and stuff is pretty contained. Now let's take these guys out and see what it looks like under there. The nice thing too is that they make it out of this a little bit harder material than the factory one. So pulling it out all together is easy. And if you have a bunch of gunk in there, it will help contain that a little bit better. And then you can just dump it out here. So look at all that. So that's a good amount. But underneath, you can see pretty darn clean. Let me brighten this up a little bit. Got a couple pebbles that have snuck its way through here and the cracks of here, but overall the camera's having a hard time focusing. Pretty dang clean underneath there. So that's doing its job, especially with how much is actually in here. So one of the things that I couldn't move over from the bronze Tacoma that I now have on this Tacoma, because the bed size are different. I'm gonna pop this retracts open and show you what I'm talking about here. So down here we have the Lasfit bed liner. So I like to keep my bed clean, which is why I have the retracts bed cover on here. But there is some dust and stuff which I haven't cleaned before I installed the retracts. I just haven't had time. So I probably would do that a little bit more towards the spring when all the snow and stuff's gone, so I can take this outside and give it a nice rinse at the car wash. But the floor liner for the bed is super nice. Just like the floor liners inside, it has walls, has the ribs. It's a little bit kind of has this ribbed material and texture to it, so that way things don't really slide like it would on the factory floor. So if you throw stuff in here, it kind of stays in place versus sliding all over the place. So one, it keeps the bed floor clean. And then if you wanted to, just fold this up and pull this out and then dump it out. If it does get dirty, pressure wash it. You can do whatever you want to it. So that's really nice. And then it just protects your factory bed. So if you're kind of like me, you don't want to really scratch up your bed because it is plastic. There's no rhinoline or bed liner underneath this. This keeps it nice and clean, scratch free. So that's really nice as well. So that's pretty much it. I really wanted just to make a quick video to kind of show my review, kind of impressions of what I think about having all-weather floor mats, specifically the Lasfit ones, just because we've been working with them for so long and they make good products. So we continue to work with them and recommend them to you guys. So if you want something that's very nice and reasonably priced, it's not ridiculously expensive like some of the other floor mats, kind of the big guys on the market. Their products is good, but for the price, I don't know if I would pay something that expensive just to be stepped on and just get dirty in general. But that's gonna be it. If you guys are new here, want to see some videos, see me do some reviews, see me do some off-roading, whatever it is, let me know down in the comments and subscribe to the channel, and we'll try to make those videos for you guys. So that's it. We'll see you guys next time.